This is the video lesson for Accent on Achievement, Book 1, page 12. If you look up at the top, you'll see there's no new notes on this page, but we do have a new rhythm in the blue box, eighth notes. In that box, it says that they receive half a beat in 2/4 and 4/4 time. What that means is if you're counting and tapping your foot, the first eighth note is going to come on the numbers when your foot taps. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the second eighth note is actually going to come when your foot is up in the air. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Notice I'm saying "and" for that second eighth note. We want to be tapping our foot, but we don't want to tap every eighth note. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and is not what your foot should be doing. Your foot always wants to keep that steady beat. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Alright, so let's get started with this page. Number 32, eighth note express. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and. Ready, go. Rest. So now that we've played that once, let's count and clap it. 1, 2, count and clap. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. 1, 2 and 3, 4. If you have questions about counting, don't be afraid to contact me. Number 33, rhythm riddle. If we were together, I would actually suggest that you wait on this one and do this one last. I think this is the hardest one on the page. It's not too hard for you to play, but I like to do the other ones first. It's up to you since you're watching a video. You can skip this for now and come back to it, or you can play it with me right now. Here we go. And it says clap first, then play. So let's count and clap. Ready, clap. 1, 2, and 1, 2. 1 and 2, 1, 2, 1. 2 and 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Always keeping that steady beat. Remember, your foot is tapping on only the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. 1, 2, and ready, go. Number 34, Bile Them Cabbage Down. Let's count and clap it one more time. It's really easy to get used to playing eighth notes and then play your quarter notes like eighth notes. Keep that steady beat. 1 and 2 and count and clap. 1 and 2 and 1, 2. 1 and 2 and 1, 2. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1, 2. There is a repeat. You should repeat it. I'll let you do the repeat on your own, though, both in clapping and in playing. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, play. Stuck there. Make sure that you're oiling your valves regularly, please, so that that doesn't happen to you. This is a really fun one to play very fast once you have it down. I'm going to play it super fast. If you want to try that with me, awesome. If you're not ready to try that quite so fast yet, use the YouTube settings to change it to a speed that you are ready to try. 1 and 2 and ready, go. Do you think you can do it even faster? 1 and 2 and ready, go. I will let you try that on your own. Like I said, it's a lot of fun to be able to go that fast. Number 35, Surprise Symphony. If you saw in the red box at the top, variation, this is an example of a variation. It gives you a theme on the first line, and then changes the rhythm a little bit to vary it and make a variation on the second and third lines. Pay close attention to where the eighth notes are. 1, 2, ready, go. Again, it's really easy to get used to the pattern of the eighth notes, then a quarter note. Make sure that you check for the places that changes. I want to count and clap the bottom 2 lines. We're not going to count and clap the top line right now. We're just going to do the bottom 2 lines. Here we go. 1, 2, count and clap. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 1, 2, and 3. All right, and our last song on this page, Variation on Lightly Row. If you read the directions, it says that you can create your own song by turning some of the quarter notes into eighth notes. Since everyone can be a little different on that, I'm going to play it exactly as it's printed on the page with no eighth notes at all. I encourage you to find your own eighth notes to add in, though. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, go. You may have noticed the breath marks every 2 measures in that song. They want you to try to go 2 whole measures without taking a breath. Do you think you can do it? All right, we have played everything on this page. Like always, feel free to rewind, play some of them again, work on your trickiest things more than the things that are easy for you. And I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.